Hey guys, how's it going? Myself Green Mathematics from by Green Board. So here's the question of today. This is question. Oh, I forgot to write J main. 8 April. You can check it from examsite.com. It's a very good website from which you can get many PYQs. So let's start the question solving. So it is given that this series converges to this series converges to alpha, and this series converges to beta. So you can see that this equals this series converges to this number, this series converges to this number, and this series converges to this number. So we have alpha equals this, beta equals this. So let's try to solve the problem. So in the solution, we will do that. First, if you notice the series, you will note that if I write all the terms and take 2 to the power 4 as common factor, we will get that 1 by 1 to the 4 plus 1 by 2 to the 4 till equals what this equals beta. Now after we see this, now we know that this series equals pi by 4 upon 90. So 1 by 2 to the 4 times of pi by 4 upon 90 equals beta. Wait a second, I just forgot to add some amount of the question. Yeah, the amount was to find the alpha upon beta. You can check this from also the websites. So if this is the question, we have the value of beta. Also, now we can note that if we add these two equations, we will just get the first one. So upon adding alpha plus beta, and this, the sum of these two series converges to pi by 4 upon 90. So let's write that pi by 4 upon 90. Okay, now we have two equations, beta equals this and alpha plus beta equals this. So we can just put the value of alpha plus beta plus pi to the 4 upon 90. Okay, so we can now find alpha. Alpha turns out to be, if we take pi to the 4 upon 90 common, and we'll send it that way, let the middle line be loved. Yeah. So it turns to be 1 minus 1 upon 16. Okay, so alpha's value is pi to the 4 upon 90 times of 15 upon 16. Now to find alpha upon beta, we can divide these both equations. Alpha upon beta is just pi to the 4 upon 90 divided by times of 15 by 16 upon pi to the 4 upon 90 times of 1 upon 16. This and this will cancel, 16 and 16 will cancel. The answer turns out to be 50. So guys, this was a very easy question, but the main crux of the question was that if the one person will see this question for the first time, he will just notice that pi by 4 upon 90. He will get confused what pi to take. Like अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ, वो 90 को देख के सोचेगा कि 180 लूँ, 3.14 लूँ, एंगल वैंगल से होगा, कहीं tan तो नहीं लेना है. So I know that this question is from sequence and series. I have solved it once, though not checking without checking the solution, but then too I have solved this question once, so I know what is the right approach to do. And also pi to the 4 upon 90 is the most confusing part. But if you just ignore that pi to the 4 upon 90 and check alpha upon beta, then you will realize, yes, this is not about pi to the 4 upon 90. It is about this whole thing, and when you will factor out and do this much work, you will get the answer as 15. So this question, though easy, once one figure out how to do this question, he can easily do this. So I hope you would have understood this solution. If you want, if you have any doubts with it, you may comment, and you may also share more ideas for me. Thank you. Bye bye.